Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the daily trader. It is December 1st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla closed at 194.70, so this seems to be pretty much zero. We closed yesterday. We closed at 194.70. So yes, even Steven, we closed exactly at the same place. Post market, we are up by 22 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So first things first, we are into our second day outside of this downward channel. This is telling us even more that we are really outside of this downward channel. And guess what? Guess what? We are under 198.12. So you see how 198.12 was important. We crossed it during the day, but then we stayed beneath it. And stochastic is not yet over 60. So far, we have to say that we are in the congestion zone that we were talking about. We are still in this congestion zone. We have not come out of it. And this is a double kind of support of a congestion zone. Yeah. In terms of the daily chart, there are no real strong buy signal. As I said yesterday, I think yesterday I was confusing a lot of people. I don't know. I was saying a lot of things. So I wanted to give you the whole story with the different levels of risk and everything. So I went pretty deep into it. So I hope I did not scare you too much. I'm still thinking about finding a way to distill all those principles to put, and then allowing you to use them a little bit more simply. So I'm still thinking about this. I have to solve this before showing it to you guys. But daily chart is still in a congestion zone. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, what did happen today? So we opened quite high, and look at this thing again. So we opened right on our bullish resistance we have on the 1 hour chart. We opened right there, crossed it, but this is why we should always wait for the end of a candle in order to see if the candle really did break a resistance or not. And it did not break it. It broke it during the first hour, but when a candle is forming, within the hour a candle is forming, we should not look at those candles. We should not look at them because they can go one way and you can see a nice green candle. This is fantastic. This is such a bullish signal. But then 15 minutes later, then it becomes a red candle and you say, oh, shoot, I should not have bought. We should be really careful. And we should have an option in TradingView to not show the current candle being drawn at all. And then once the hour finishes, then boom, the candle can appear. So this is really the feature that we need. So second hour, coming back up a little bit, then trended sideways and look at where it stopped. We had this resistance right there. So where is the resistance? Was at 195.08 is an intraday resistance. And look at how close we were to that point. So people did not want to pay much more than 195.08. They did not want to pay more. This is what the resistance means. People had a mental block at that time for that price. Over 195.08 is too much. And basically that lasted for the rest of the day. Stochastic is still decent on the 1 hour chart. So there's still a possibility that tomorrow things change and that we might go higher because we have a decent stochastic right here. If we go back on the daily chart, as I mentioned, stochastic at 46. So stochastic is climbing a little bit. Stochastic is climbing a little bit. RSI very close to being above 50, but not quite yet there. No change for MACD and no change for DMI. So let's see if Tesla has the strength tomorrow to break 198.12. If it does, it would need to be with a really strong candle to get the stochastic over 60. So hopefully it just does a little bit of a pullback and then tries again. And at that point, stochastic will be a little bit higher and maybe that is going to be the right time to get back in for some time. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.